If a bubble near an edge occurs because the Mohawk resilient flooring gets buckled or gets a slight torque twist in it, it can be easily repaired. Filling a hypodermic needle applicator with Mohawk M7 universal seam sealant, push the needle through the flooring in the middle of the bubble. Be careful to insert it with the needle point on top so it doesn't gouge a large hole in the material. Inject the seam sealant into the space. Using a seam roller, roll from the far side of the bubble toward the edge of the flooring. Work the roller in different directions to spread the sealer evenly underneath. Some sealant may squeeze out of the needle hole, but this will seal the hole and make it unnoticeable. Use a damp rag to clean up the extra sealant that squeezed out at the edge. Roll it once more. Clean it again with a wet rag followed by a dry rag. Then, place a heavy object on the area to hold it down while the sealant dries over the next couple of hours.